A poor woman went to a saintly person, a monk, and said, Swamiji, please write me a mantra that would stop my children from crying of hunger at night. The monk looked up at the sky for a few moments and went inside his cottage to write a mantra on a yellow cloth which he folded into a knot and wrapped to give to the woman. The monk said, keep this mantra at home where the money of good honest earnings is kept. The woman happily carried it home. By God's grace, the husband was able to make a reasonable earning that day and the children got 2 square meals to eat. The night passed off peacefully. Next morning, they found a bag full of money in the courtyard of the house. Beside the money in the bag, they found a paper on which was written, "Start some business." Following the advice, the woman's husband took a small shop on rent to start business. Gradually, the business expanded from one shop to many and they got deluged with money. One day, while keeping her husband's earnings in the safe in the almirah, the woman noticed that knotted cloth which had the mantra written on it. Don't know what was the mantra that Sadhu Maharaj wrote and that helped erase her poverty. Saying this, the woman opened the cloth knot. It was written on it, when the deficiency of money is over, then instead of hiding and securing the money in the safe vault, put some money in the house from where the cries of children is heard at night.